All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Pratyush Kumar,
And I'm Abraham Troop.
and we are presenting our Capstone project, an edge-based AI manager for real-time business analytics and interactive user assistance.
So for a brief agenda, we're going to talk about the problem that ARED's facing and how they're planning on solving it using AI and edge computing.
So our goal is to deliver an AI chatbot for businesses, which provides customer Q&A to provide quick and accurate answers, and business order handling, which connects to the existing system that ARED has established and places and manages orders interactively.
So some challenges that we face is that AI is expensive and it takes a lot of computational power. So we have to figure out how we can limit that. And also, it usually requires the internet to connect to some kind of backend. So we need to figure out how we can use this with none or limited internet.
Yep. And so our solution was to come up with an AI workflow that uses a text classification model to divide it into whether it requires LLM usage. And if it doesn't require LLM usage, then it uses an NLP concept called named entity recognition, which is then sent to our function module that executes any functionality that's required on the ARED system.
So we're using lighter models to limit the use of LLMs, and we're also using classification and NER models, which is based on BERT, so that we can process natural language. And we're also having a distributed system using Docker for containerization and K3s for organization or orchestration, so we can have more efficient computational power. And we're also going to have all chats will be logged so that the models can be trained for the future.
And for the front end, we have real-time voice to text and translation in case someone isn't as tech savvy. And for since this software is going to be used in non-English speaking countries. So here is a demonstration of our chatbot in action.
Hi, my name is Tim. I would like to show you how all that comes together in an actual customer experience. First, I want to tell the chatbot to tell me a joke, and the chatbot will tell me a joke. Oh, sorry, tell me a joke. See, and now I can also interact by typing. For example, I can say, I'd like a cup of sandwich and a cup of water, and then the system walk me to a quick confirmation. Um, Once confirmed, the backend automatically processes the order, and then the business can repaying it right away. And that is how our chatbot interact with the customer.
All right, Tim, thank you for that demonstration.
So for future progress, as for our machine learning models, we can make further improvements by extensively training those models more, or we can use different models. As for the function module, we can add additional functionality and make it so that it can accommodate for extensive usage. And our LLMs, we can expand our knowledge base, and by expanding this knowledge base, we can potentially use picture-based analytics rather than simply text-based.
And so thank you very much for listening. And we've also provided the ARED Group website along with the GitHub repository that we use.